Hi, I'm Julian Reyes, Parts and Service Director here at Land Rover Cerritos. I want to thank you for the opportunity you gave us to service your vehicle to keep it running in its top form. Here's what you can expect from us during your visit. When you arrive at our service drive, you'll be promptly greeted by one of our knowledgeable service advisors. They'll discuss your needs and offer convenient options. You can take advantage of a complimentary loaner vehicle to continue your day or relax in our award-winning showroom area, complete with comfortable seating, refreshments, and the latest Land Rover models on display. Your vehicle will then be in the hands of our level 3 or 4 certified factory-trained technicians, the highest standards in the industry. They'll handle your service with precision and expertise. To keep you informed every step of the way, we'll send you a personalized progress report video directly to your phone or email detailing the work being done. Once the service is complete, your Land Rover will receive a thorough hand wash by our professional detailers, ensuring it looks as pristine as the day you drove it off the lot. At Land Rover Cerritos, we are committed to exceptional service and your complete satisfaction. If you have any questions, my team and I are here for you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Drive safely, and thank you once again for the opportunity to allow us to service your vehicle.